How to unclog a kitchen sink. A clogged kitchen sink can be a nightmare in the kitchen. Luckily, there are a lot of easy ways to unclog your drain. 1. Using a plunger. Fill the sink partially full of hot water. Fill the sink until it is about 1/4 to half of the way full. Position the plunger over the drain. If you have a double sink, then stuff a washcloth into the unclogged drain to ensure that the plunger's pressure is focused on the clog. Work the plunger up and down quickly. Pull the plunger off of the drain opening and see if the water starts to drain. Continue using the plunger until the clog is dislodged. 2. Using vinegar and baking soda. Put on a pair of rubber gloves. Use a bowl or a cup to bail standing water out of the sink. Pour the water into a bucket. Push 1 cup of baking soda down the sink drain. Use a spatula to force the baking soda into the opening, if necessary. Pour 1 cup of vinegar into the drain opening. Put the stopper into the sink so that the vinegar is forced toward the clog. Wait 5 minutes to allow the solution to work on the clog. Run warm water into the sink to see if the clog disappears. 3. Using a cable auger. Open the cabinet beneath your sink. Place a bucket underneath the pipes to catch any water that may drain out. Try to unscrew PVC pipes by hand. If you can't unscrew the pipes by hand, then use a pipe wrench or channel locks to loosen the connections. If you find the clog in the trap, reattach the trap. Turn on the hot water and see if the sink drains. If the sink is still clogged, then follow the next steps to use the cable auger. Remove the horizontal pipe that connects the trap to the stub pipe in the wall. Push the end of the cable auger into the stub pipe until the auger meets resistance. Crank the handle in a clockwise direction. Push forward as you do this to guide the auger deeper into the pipe. And turn on the hot water to see if the sink drains. Thanks for listening to my instructions. Good luck. Thanks to Bald Eagle. Like it and subscribe his channel.